Hey guys, it's Coaster Nerd Weekly, and in today's video, I'll be reviewing Fury 325 at Carowinds. Fury 325 is located at Carowinds in Charlotte, North Carolina. Now let's talk about the stats. Fury 325 is a Bollinger & Mabillard Giga coaster with a top height of 325 feet, a top speed of 95 miles per hour, a length of 6,602 feet, and a drop angle of 81 degrees. These stats are very impressive and intimidating, as it is a very impressive and intimidating coaster. Now let's talk about the ride experience. Fury 325 starts with a moderately quick chain lift to the top. You then go down the amazing 320-foot drop, which gives amazing floater airtime in the front and sharp projector airtime in the back, and the valley giving some good positive G-forces. Then comes the massive turnaround, in which the twists in and out of give a little bit of airtime if the ride is rounding fast enough. You then go through an overbanked turn, which the twist into once again will give a small pop of airtime depending on how it's running. This then leads into another overbanked turn, which is less of a turn but more of a sideways banked hill, which once again gives a pop of airtime twisting into the element if running fast. This brings you to the most known and photogenic element of the ride, the treble clef. Going up into this element you get a good dose of positive Gs, and at the top you experience some sideways airtime. You then dive under the bridge, passing through some head choppers, which feels very thrilling at this high of a speed. Then you come out from under the bridge and go through another overbanked turn, which levels out into a little bit of straight track. Then comes the first of 3 bunny hills, giving great sustained ejector airtime in all rows. This hill does have a trim on it, but I don't really remember feeling the speed decrease too much. You then traverse a giant helix, which is the weakest part of the ride. There are a little bit of laterals on this helix, but the most thrilling part of it is the head chopper with the support. Then comes another bunny hill, giving another great sustained ejector airtime moment in all rows. You then take a quick turn to the left and traverse another bunny hill, once again giving great sustained ejector. You take a quick turn to the right and pop up into the brakes, giving another great airtime moment and ending the ride. Overall, Fury 325 has an amazing layout that features fast-paced, thrilling, and airtime-filled elements all traversed at a very high speed. What makes this ride even crazier is if you ride it at night. The ride feels so much faster and you can barely see anything except for on the lift hill and during the dive under the bridge. So if you get the chance to ride Fury, make sure to try it at night as well. Let's talk about the theming. While Fury doesn't go all out with the story or theming, they did give a little bit of story in some of the marketing videos. Fury 325 is themed to a swarm of hornets, as depicted on the sign, logo, and promos. When you enter the Fury 325 Plaza, you are greeted with the aforementioned sign, which looks amazing. Then the entrance has hexagon shapes depicting a hive. The final piece of theming is the dive under the bridge, which has more hexagons. They even named this element the Hive Dive. Other than that, there isn't really any theming, but this ride doesn't need theming since it has a great ride experience. Fury 325 is a fast, extreme, and thrilling coaster that features a great layout featuring airtime, twists, and a great sense of speed, as well as an even crazier experience during night. Overall, I'll be giving Fury 325 a perfect score of 10 out of 10. This is one of the most exhilarating ride experiences out there, and is probably worth the trip to Carowinds alone. Thanks for watching my review of Fury 325. If you made it all the way to the end, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe, as I plan on making more coaster reviews just like this. Your support really helps out a bunch, and I'll see you guys next time on Coaster Nerd Weekly.